Come on, he has to be blocking the path to my house. Okay, what do I do? What do I do? Do I battle him? Or do I avoid him? Yeah, I'm just gonna avoid him.
Hey, you, punk.
Did he just call me a punk?
Yeah, you. Battle me right now.
Bro, I don't want...
That's right, I choose you to fight. You're gonna feel the true power of my Pokemon.
What the...
Prepare yourself.
I didn't accept this challenge.
Alright, punk, I'm gonna need more space than this. Huh, here's my invisible Pokeball. Take this. Huh. Now you're gonna see true power.
Wow. Okay,
What are you waiting on, punk? Pull
so
out
this
your Pokemon.
is really happening. Oh, man.
Come on. What are you waiting for?
That's a legendary.
Get ready, punk.
That's a legendary Pokemon you have there.
Pull out your Pokemon. Enough talk. Come on, let's do this.
I think I'm a...
Come on,
I think I'm a bounce.
let's do this.
Yeah.
Pull out your Pokemon.
You, have a good one, you know?
Come on.
All right, now.
Running away, huh? Use Draco Meteor.
Draco Meteor? Are you trying to...